So let me just show you something else that you can do with this, a little technique. So I've taken the Starstruck embossing folder and I've put it onto a piece of our Fluid 100 watercolor paper. And we want to show you a little bit of working with markers, because if you're at all interested in joining Stampin' Up, it's a great deal right now. You get to pick 2 of our families of markers, and this, I'm working with the Brights right here, but the Brights, Neutrals, Subtles, or the Regals. And we are going to create just a watercolor effect. Now let me just pull in this guy here. So I've got the flat here. I'm going to just bring this in, so just a clear pad, and we are going to take our markers with the brush tip, and we're just going to give ourselves some, what's that? Scribble, just a scribble. So I've got Granny Apple Green, I have Azure Afternoon, and I have Calypso Coral. So I'm just going to add some, lots of nice water right on top of my watercolor paper. Now this paper is, will take the water. You wouldn't want to do this just on a piece of basic white or even your thick basic white. It does not work the same. So I'm going to pick up a little bit. I'm using my brush tip now. I'm just going to pick up a little bit and just put it right on. So you just mix it all in wherever it goes. I'm going to have to obviously clean my work surface here. And you're going to just need to let that dry. Now I picked some colors that really coordinate well together. So when you're done, now before I do that, we're going to let that dry for just a minute. So here's what we create. So you just have a background with your watercolor showing off the starburst. Here's where I use the marker on the happy birthday and nothing on the inside, but then I embossed the flap of the note card. And I'm going to start doing a little bit more of the sizes of note cards that we pretty much all have, because they're really cute and they're a great way just to show somebody that you're thinking of them. And sometimes guys like a little card more than a big card.